a very free and long gown. Okay, you can make it short, you can make it long. So let's just take the hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today we're going to make a beautiful free dress with a detachable sleeve. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If today is your first time of watching my video, please just do that for me. Subscribe to my channel so that you will see more of my video. Guys, let's jump into the measurement. So from the shoulder part, because it's going to be like open shoulder, so I'm going to take, it's not going to be like full. From up, I'm going to take like 6 inches off. I'll take 6 inches off the measurements. I'm going to add another 2 inches for the hemming, because we're going to put elastic or we put rope. So when I finish it, I'm going to decide what to put on it. So now the first measurement is taking off 6 inches upward, okay, from this line. I'm going to take this as my guideline. Where's my chop 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 chop? I'll take 2 inches up here. Okay, I will take 2 inches up here like this. 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches. I'm going to use this 2 inches to end the upper parts. So from that 2 inches, I'm going to start the measurements from 6 inches downwards, like that. And from the, we're going to take the bust measurement. We only need bust measurement for this gown. So I'm going to take 16 inches here, 16 inches and 1 inches seam sewing allowance, so making 17. From the 17 inches, I'm going to take the measurements down to, I'll just mark it like this, like a triangle form. It's not going to be like straight, but it's still going to be like triangle, down 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 down. So now from the upper part here, let's take the armhole. The armhole measurement, I'm going to take 4 inches here, upper part. Then the depth, I'm going to take 4 inches as well. Then I'll connect it together like so. So guys, I'm going to start cutting it from the armhole, like, okay, let me stay here. So we're not going to cut this side, we're going to cut like this. And I open this upper part. I'm going to open it. Summer is coming, we need something like this. Let me see. Yeah, 48 is the length of this. So now I'm going to, as I said before, it's not going to be like fitted stuff, okay guys, but you can just slim fit it yourself. So guys, what we need to do is just to sew the both sides together, okay. So this is how it's going to look. The front and back is so confusing. So guys, yeah, this is the front. So the two fronts will face each other. It's a very big free dress. Very easy to do. So you take the two fronts to face each other, then so what we need to do now is to, the 2 inches we left earlier on, is to fold it like this. This is where we're going to put the elastic. So we run a stitch on it, and you sew the side. See, so let me put it together. Sew the two sides together, then sew the top. The armhole you're going to use like a bias strip, or you can just fold it like this and sew it, or you use a bias strip to clean the armhole. And okay, let's see if I have the, so we're going to use this one for the detachable sleeve. So we use the remaining one for the sleeve, guys. I think we have much left, just to wear the sleeve on here. I'm going to, so from the rib side we can add elastic, and the upper part here we're going to put elastic too. So that is it. This is our sleeve is ready. Detachable sleeve is ready. And let me cut the stripes we're going to put. I think we still have much left, so I'm going to take just like 2 inches for the stripes. Okay, 2 inches. So measure your 2 inches. So I'm going to cut my 2 inches out of this. This one I'm going to sew for the upper parts. Guys, this is just too simple and easy. Okay, you can do it as well. So I need to cut this. So this is what we're going to use for the stripes. So I'll cut 2. So guys, the stripes is ready. I'm going to sew it together like this, and I will turn it out. Okay, so I'll put elastic here. So I'll be right back, guys. So guys, now I'm finished. I just need to attach the, leave it detachable. So I'll put elastic here. Put elastic. So I'm going to put elastic here. Hands like this. So minus 1 inch off. Then put the remaining one. Chest, we're going to put these stripes on it like this. So when I put it, so we just put it. I'm going to show you guys how it comes out. So guys, we're trying to insert the, you can decide to put elastic if you don't want to use those strips or rope. So you use the elastic. So now we put the elastic on there. You guys, so this is the end of the video. It's all done, and I'm going to wear it now for you guys to see it. Like this, very neat. I overlock inside, and I'm going to give it a proper iron. This is the dark parts, so they are on sale right now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye. Just want a small clip of how I put it on. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. You enjoy my videos. You're going to see more of this, more better than this. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thanks for those that keep coming. God bless you all. Bye.